You can tell a lot by looking at people's brows. I know, it sounds a little bit weird, but hold on a little bit, listen to me. When you are about to talk to a person and you see that their brows are raised, it looks maybe like this, a little raised. And they look like they aren't focused, and when I do that, I have a really hard time focusing on a camera and talking about something so it makes sense. So when you want to talk to somebody and you see a person who has raised brows, they look like they have a shattered attention. They are not focusing at anything particular. They maybe look a little surprised or perplexed. Well, if you want to talk to them, you gotta get their attention first. So you want to somehow start talking to them before you need to address them beforehand, before you start saying something important. Because if you fire right away with something important, they won't get it, because they need that capacity, the mental capacity to focus to get on you, and then you can start talking about something important. So you may want to take a little while, I'm talking seconds, not minutes, before you start telling them something important, if you want to be heard properly. On the other side, when you see a person who has a lowered brows, it means they are focused something, they are down to earth, they are using their mental capacity to do something properly. They are maybe just trying to see through the lens at the moment as I am doing that. They are maybe trying to think about something really hard. So if you want to talk to them, you need to get that attention that is already there on you. So if you start talking to people like this, there is often they often don't listen to anything else because they are focused on something. So if there is a person with a lowered brows, well, think twice before you start talking to them. And if you want to tell them something important, again, you want to grab their attention first, so that attention goes to you, and then you can start telling that important thing. If you will do it beforehand, well, there is a great chance that they won't get it all. So just something to do good. And if the person has naturally rested brows and there is no movement up or down, well, the person is ready. The person has their mental capacity ready to use it to anything that pops up. So if there is a relaxed person, well, you can start talking to them right away, and there is no gap moments to get their attention. Well, that's just there is just a very quick video. If you have any questions to that, please let me know in the comments. I'd be very happy. And I'll be looking forward to see you in the next video. Meanwhile, if you want to see something else, you can see how to know when there is a time to exit the conversation, because it's already not working out very well. I'll be looking forward to see you in that video, and bye.